Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can check your Unifi SIM card balance. So first, to check your Unifi prepaid balance, you can follow these steps. So first is dial the * 100 hashtag on your phone and press the call button. Then you will have to select a number. So select the option number 1 for check balance, and then select option number 2 for data balance. So your remaining data balance will be displayed on the screen, or it can be sent to you via text or message. And then you can also check your data balance through the Unifi application or by logging in into your Unifi account online. So that's it. It's pretty easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.